This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by ensuring you have administrative access and the Windows build so commands match your system. Once you're ready, open Services, MSC, and find Security Center and Windows Defender Antivirus. Set each to automatic and click Start. This reactivates the core system services that surface Windows security. If either service fails to start, note the error code. Make sure to proceed only after attempting to start these services, because the next steps depend on them running. Once the services are running or you have their error codes, repair system files to rebuild broken components. Run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano. After completion, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health so Windows can retrieve clean system files. Then open PowerShell as admin, check getapps package Microsoft. Sec health UI all users. If the package is present but not registered, re-register it by running adapps package disable development mode, register, install location /app xmanifest. XML. These commands restore the app shell and required manifests. After repairing packages, restart your PC and then open Windows Security to confirm the UI and protections appear. Make sure Security Center and Defender services remain started. If they drop, check Event Viewer entries for service failures. Run Windows Update to fetch missing platform fixes and create a new local admin user to determine whether the issue is profile scoped. If nothing works, use System Restore to a healthy point or perform an in-place repair install. That step preserves files while rebuilding Windows, and it typically resolves deep corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.